Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. It's pretty windy out here. You got somebody over there playing baseball, so we're gonna try to fly over this side right here. Got a nice plane going up in here, up there. A lot of wind. It's high wind velocity out here. Been getting high wind velocity warnings on the Alexa and all of that stuff and the GPS. But I came out here to fly this guy. Last time I was flying it with the stock transmitter and the ESC came undone, and so I brought it back out here to try to get it in the air, flying it with the boxer. It's kind of cold, so I'm worried that the battery is going to be dead, because I came out here before and that was the case. So let's hurry up and get this guy up in the air.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay, it binded automatically real quick, so let's see if we can get it in the air. The wind is coming from that direction, so we want to fly this direction. I just killed one of my planes out here, and it's giving me a battery warning, and this battery is new. Let's see if we can fly it slow. This flies great, y'all. Check it out. Yeah, the battery is low though, so I can get away with flying it slow. Check it out. I killed one of my other planes out here. So this does fly slow. Check it out. And the battery died on me. Man, this little plane right here, it's awesome. That's the LVC warning going off on this guy. I did charge this battery completely before I came out here, but it's so cold out here that my hands are ashy and everything, and so the battery didn't last long, y'all. The battery died.
Telemetry lost.
But I used this same battery in my initial maiden of this plane, and so you guys can see that this battery is not a bad battery, because it flew pretty long in the first video that I did. It's the ESC just came undone, and so I was unable to test it out with my boxer transmitter. But this time I did get the plane in the air, and I flew it with this boxer transmitter here, and it actually flies slow. This is a really awesome plane, y'all. I love it. I think this is the best EDF, the best of the cheaper brands of EDF, you know, the off brands. I guess we can call Volantex, RC an off brand or whatnot, or the lower budget brands, should I say that? Maybe the lower budget brand is what I'm gonna describe them as. But this plane flies awesome, man. It's fast when you want it to be. It can slow down really nice. It can kind of do a high alpha. I was trying to get this guy to fly slow by pulling down on the elevator stick, and that caused it to try the high alpha, and I did kind of get it to high alpha. It didn't, the nose didn't come up too much, but it was just enough to slow this guy down and all, and get it to fly slow and cruise around. I was able to turn in this little space that we have out here. It's not really a lot of room out here. It's more than the small squirrel park that I like to fly at. I can't fly that here, I don't think. But it does get around in here. I can turn it around and only use half of the field and all of that stuff. Really awesome flyer, and it works on 3S as well. I guess my next video will be to test this little guy on 3S. Expecting it to be really fast because this thing is a rocket flying in 2S when the battery is charged up, and I'm trying to fly it fast. So the F16 from Volantex, a new EDF brushless. That's awesome, guys. This thing is really awesome. I love it. I'll have a link in the description where you can get this. I think they might have it at AliExpress now, but it said on the website that they pushed this back to April. I'm not sure if it's available now. I'll have the link in the description in case you want to get it from there. But I got this from Kidstoylover.com, and I think that's a pretty decent website too. Mine came faster than the stuff from AliExpress usually come when it's overseas. But I understand some people do express that they're kind of skeptical about ordering from different websites, but I can say I ordered mine from Kidstoylover.com and it came pretty fast. They gave me a tracking number and all, so it's a pretty decent website if you ask me. I had a good experience. The Volantex F16 brushless EDF, and it's a micro and it flies awesome. 3S compatible as well as 2S. Thanks for watching.